split function is going to split the string by the occurrences of a particular character or maybe a pattern. Upon finding that particular pattern, the remaining characters of the string will be written as a part of the resulting list. Now, the syntax is the split function is going to take 4 parameters, out of which 2 parameters are compulsory one, that is your pattern and your the string where you are going to apply this pattern. And these two are optional, like maximum split, how many splits it has to take. The default is 0, and the flags is going to mention whether you are going to consider the case or I mean the uppercase, lowercase you want to consider or you want to ignore. Accordingly we can use them. Now, like I said, pattern is nothing but it is going to denote the regular expression. Now, str is nothing but the string that is given in which this pattern will be searched and in which the splitting will be occurring. Now, like as we said, this third argument, that is max split, if it is not provided, then by default it is going to consider as 0. If any non-zero value is provided, then that many splits are going to occur. Suppose I have given here 3. So based on the pattern that is being searched, there will be 3 splits are going to happen. So if, for example, the max split is 1, which means it is going to split once only. I mean, the length of the list that I'm going to get, because the outcome of the split will be a list of items. So in that entire list, I'll be getting only 2 items. Now coming to this flags, which we can use, like we said, if you want to ignore the case in during the split, okay, so then we can take the help of this. Now, let's see this example here. We have taken this RE module imported. So here I'm calling this split function. So as you can see, the pattern is nothing but this D is nothing but indicating the decimal digits. So plus indicates one or more occurrences. So whenever in this particular string a digit is found, from there the split has to happen. So because I have not mentioned the max split here, which means the 0 by default. So which means we can see we are getting this on and up to space. Actually, there is a space here. And because here we have found a digit, that is your 11th. Okay. So it is going to ignore this, and from here that is going to cancel, like th space feb again space. Again we have a digit here. So again there is a split. So you can see here this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 splits have happened, because the moment it has found a digit, from there a split has happened or one new item has been created or splitted into. Now what we have done in the second line, so we are doing the calling the same split function once again with the same pattern and the same string, but only change we have done is here I've specified 1. So like we have said earlier, when I'm going to specify some max split value, suppose I'm specifying 1 here, which means it is going to give me 2 strings, so 2 items in the list. So you can see here, so first one is on up to and this space up to this we have found, and here we have got this digit, digits. So from here the remaining split, from T onwards, okay, TH space FAB. So this everything you can see it is in the single item. So in the previous case we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, but with the inclusion of this max split here we are only getting 2 items here. Now coming to the third one, where we have mentioned the pattern is A-F plus, means any characters, any lowercase characters between A and F, if it is found, then from there the split has to happen. Okay, one or more occurrences. So as we can see, H, there is a E found here. Okay, so from here, because E is within this range, so there will be a split from E onwards. So H is there. After E we found L, L, O, your space W, H, and again we found A, which is matching here in the pattern. So from here another split will work, that is T space and again we found A, one more split, that is only R I'm going to get. Again we found E, which is in this range. From E there is a split, I mean space Y O U space, and again we found D, which is in the range of this A and F. So we are going to get O I N G. Now here we have said that these flags we have taken, I mean the last optional attribute argument flags, where I'm writing ignore case. So here even if I have some capital E or capital A, so that is going to be considered within this. Now the next one, almost the same thing, only thing is we have not used this ignore case here. Okay, so when I'm not going to use that, so we are going to get almost the same outcome here, you can see, because we do not have any capital letters used here. So in this context, both of them are going to work in the similar manner. So these outputs are absolutely the same.